Good morning to all of you. Today we are going to discuss last 4 problems of quadratic equations. Today's problems: number of values of a for which the equation x cube plus ax plus 1 equal to 0 and x to the power 4 plus ax square plus 1 equal to 0 have a common root is a0, b1, c2, d into. That means you are asked how many values of a, the number of values of a. That is value 0, that is no value, 1 value, that is a has 2 value, that is a has infinite number of values. So I have to find number of values of a. Given this and this equation have a common roots. Let alpha be the common root. Therefore, alpha will satisfy this equation and this equation. Therefore, we get alpha cube plus a alpha plus 1 equal to 0, and from this equation alpha to the power 4 plus a alpha squared plus 1 is equal to 0. Considering equation number 1 and considering equation number 2. Now we multiply equation number 1, that is equation 1 into alpha. This implies we get alpha to the power 4 plus a alpha square plus alpha is equal to 0. Considering this is equation number 2. Now equation 2 minus equation 3. This implies this and this will go to cancel, then this and this also goes to cancel, then we get 1 minus alpha is equal to 0. From this we get alpha equal to 1. Now putting alpha equal to 1 equation 1, then we get put alpha equal to 1 equation 1. Therefore 1 equation 1 implies 1 cube plus a into 1 plus 1 equal to 0. This implies a is equal to minus 2. That is values of a equal to number of values, that is number of values a equal to 1, that is 1 value. That is the correct option here is B. That is the how many number of values of a? A has only 1 value. That is the discuss very important theory by which we can solve many important problems in JEE. The theory is known as the transformation of equations. Let ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 is a quadratic equation. Considering this is equation number 1, let alpha beta be the roots. Alpha beta be the roots. That is alpha and beta is the value of x. That is, you can say x is equal to alpha and x is equal to beta. Now we have to find the equation whose roots are minus alpha and minus beta. Now we have to find equation whose roots are minus alpha and minus beta. Minus alpha and minus beta. How we find the equations whose roots are minus alpha and minus beta? Let one variable, that is y is equal to minus alpha, and this implies y is equal to what? Alpha is equal to what? X. Therefore minus x. This implies x is equal to, we get minus y. Now putting the values of x in the equation 1. Putting the values of x in equation 1. Putting the values of x in equation 1. Therefore 1 implies a minus y square plus b minus y plus c equal to 0. This implies we can write a y square minus by plus c equal to 0. That is the equation in terms of variable y. Now we can change it to variable x. That is, this equation can be written as ax square minus bx plus c equal to 0. That is the equation whose roots are minus alpha and minus beta. With this theory, this transformation of equation, we can solve many types of problems in JEE whose roots are given. That is the theory. Questions. If alpha, beta, gamma be the roots of x cube minus thrice x square plus x minus 6 is equal to 0, find the equation whose roots are twice alpha by 5, twice beta by 5, twice gamma by 5. Now we have to find the equation whose roots are this. Well, given alpha be the roots of this equation, that means x is equal to what? Alpha. This equal, that means x equal to alpha, x is equal to beta, x is equal to gamma. We take only one root, x is equal to alpha. Let y is equal to twice alpha by transformation of equations. This can be written as y is equal to twice x by 5. This can be written as x is equal to 5y by 2. Now put x is equal to, x is equal to 5y by 2 in equation, given equation, that is x cube minus 6 minus 3x square plus x minus 6 is equal to 0. This implies we get 5y by 2 whole cube minus 5y by 2 whole square plus 5y by 2 minus 6 is equal to 0. After calculation, we get 125y cubed by 8 minus 3 into 25y square by 4 plus 5y by 2 minus 6 is equal to 0. Now multiplying by 8, then we get 125y cube minus 6 into 25 is equal to 150y square. Next, multiply by 8, 4 into 5 is equal to 20y minus 6 into 8, 48 is equal to 0. That is the required equation in terms of y. We can change it in terms of x by putting x is equal to y. That is required result is 125x cube minus 150y, not y, sorry, x square plus 20x minus 48 is equal to 0 is the equation whose roots are twice alpha by 5, twice beta by 5, and twice gamma by. That is the result. Same type of problems, we can use transformation of equations. Here given this question is given alpha, beta, gamma be the roots of equations x cube minus x plus 2 equal to 0. Find the equation whose roots are beta plus gamma, gamma plus alpha, alpha plus beta. Solutions. Alpha since alpha, beta, gamma be the roots. There, that is, we can say x is equal to what? Alpha. Since alpha plus beta plus gamma be the roots, therefore we get alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to minus b by a. That is minus b by b is 0, therefore equal to 0. So we get this beta plus gamma. Beta plus gamma is equal to minus alpha. Similarly, gamma plus alpha is equal to minus beta, and alpha plus beta is equal to minus gamma. That is equation whose roots are this and this. So we can write here this equal to what? We get this equal to minus alpha, this equal to what? Minus beta, this equal to what? Minus gamma. That means we have to find the equation whose roots are minus alpha, minus beta, minus gamma. Therefore we take let y is equal to what? Minus alpha. This equal to y is equal to what? Minus alpha is equal to what? X. And this is equal to x is equal to, we get minus y. Now putting the values of x equal to minus y in the given equation, this equation. Therefore we get minus y whole cube minus y plus 2 is equal to 0. This is equal to minus y cube minus plus y plus 2. After multiplying by minus 1, that we get y cube minus y plus minus 2 is equal to 0. Now we change it to equation in terms of x. That is, we can write as x cube minus x minus 2 is equal to 0. That is the result. Here this equation and this equation are same, only variable are different. So we can write this equation in terms of this. This is the answer.